Hello everyone, let's see Huaihai through pictures and lead a new era. Today, let's take a look at this photo. This is a scene from the Huaihai Factory's production workshop, where automated equipment is running smoothly and efficiently. If you were to visit here, you would see such scenes every day. Huaihai boasts industry-leading, smart, and digitalized production workshops. The intelligent and automated production equipment greatly reduces the quality risks associated with manual operations. Furthermore, technicians conduct real-time monitoring throughout the entire process to ensure that every vehicle produced by Huaihai is a high-quality product in the industry. It is this unwavering commitment to high standards and strict requirements that allows Huaihai to continuously redefine industry benchmarks and earn a great reputation in the global market. Thank you for following us, and let's witness more exciting moments together.